everyone, how are you all? So last week we had discussed on the facial cleansing. So today we are discussing on the second step of the facial, that is facial massages. So this is very easy. You can find the strokes people you are using in the parlor, and also the people who are like actually a beautician, beauty therapist, even they will be knowing this. So this is very easy. We can do it ourselves as well as we can tell other people also to do it. And here you have to keep this in your mind when you're doing this. Say when you're doing massages or when for head or body, it's like the hands what you're using. So good amount of energy should be, pressure should be used, energy as well as the pressure. If you give a little harder massage, then it won't be relaxing. If you give a very light massage, then it won't be sufficient. That is what you should know. So that is at once it is not possible for anyone to know what pressure, what amount of energy pressure we have to give for the facial or for the head massage or body massage. Gradually we can ask the people, or when we are doing for ourselves, it is very easy for knowing. So the first thing is we have to clean our hands, wash it, and then cleanse the face and be ready. So since I have to do the video, I had cleansed my face with the same technique what I am doing as usual, milk and honey. So the second thing what I am doing here is I am going with the massage using the aloe vera gel and olive oil. When your skin is dry, go with olive oil, or coconut oil also is best. Any oil which suits your face. You can also go with the drumstick oil. That also is very good for your skin. So again, you can go to the aroma shops oil, where natural oil I am telling you. You can bring it and you can use it, but that's where you have to look into the types of the skin. That's the reason first initially I have told you, you have to know what type of skin you have. And then second thing is cleansing also for 3 different types of skins I have told. So now this one is a massage. So creams what you're using for massage varies as per your skin. If it is dry, go with oil. If it is very egg proof, then go with the gel kind thing, aloe vera gel or banana pulp you can use. And when it comes for the normal one, then you can mix the both, gel as well as the normal oils, any oil. So right now my skin is actually not egg proof, it is a normal skin. Sometimes I have dry faces, sometimes I'll get normal, so I don't know how it varies. So right now I'm going to use aloe vera gel, or I usually go with banana. It's very comfortable for me. Right now I don't have it, that's the reason I'm using aloe vera gel as well as the olive oil. So aloe vera gel, just to take a little in the hand, you did need a little, and then you're going to take olive oil. So that's also a very little, good amount. You can mix it in the bowl, but I am using it in my hand only. Just mix it. Rub it in your hands. That's because your hand, and give the good amount to your face. So it should be, you should have good amount of it. So I felt it's little dry for me. I can use still more oil. It's a natural thing, right? So you can go with your lips as well. Nothing, it will not affect any. When you go with the cream, you should be careful. So nothing. First thing is, always
there are different types of facial massage. So now I am following fingertip or finger pressure facial massage. So this actually nothing, very simple. We have to tap our face with our fingers, and this is actually helping for the blood circulation. So blood flow in the facial skin actually will increase, and that's we have to do for 5 minutes. Now the second one. So see here, this is what this area I am trying from. See here, this is nothing but the scissor cut. So I am holding my fingers like a scissor and rubbing each and every area. Even this actually is very essential because this is actually going to help you for flushing out the toxins. So facial massage improves the lymphatic fluid and clears out the toxic from our faces. So, and this again, the benefits of this one I can tell you: anti-aging benefits. So facial massage can minimize the appearance of your fine lines and helps to achieve the smoother texture. So when the muscles of your face are tensed, that's when you can get that will cause a wrinkle. So facial massage actually relaxes you. So even the dark circles around the eyes, right? So see, this is what it is actually gives you a relaxation. And actually facial massage relaxes the muscles and makes the wrinkle a little prominent. So as there is increased blood circulation with the massage, the collagen production will increase, and collagen is the protein that helps the skin firm and protect from sagging. So here, see here, this is the pressure point press. Okay, so this actually is very beneficial. Why? Because it is actually going to reduce the stress thing of anyone. So a self-pampering session at salon or spa always feels as good, right? So facial massage reduces the stress by activating the sympathetic nerves. So the next time when you are anxious or you want to elevate your mood, then you have to go for this one. Actually you will feel relaxed. So here, see here, I am going for the massage for all the areas. I am concentrating on the nose area, eyes, cheeks, chin, and not forgetting the neck. It's very important. So the last one I'm going with the circular movement. So again, you go outwards, not towards. In the movement should be outwards. So do you again see, it's in the circular motion. You will have one more question: is the facial required daily for the good skin? So skincare experts advise on the facial massage at home is 2 or 3 times a week. However, gentle massage every day for 5 to 10 minutes doesn't harm your skin. It will help in promoting the blood circulation and fading the fine lines over the time. And again, bottom line, what you have to do now, you know that how in the salon facial massage at home without burning a hole in your pocket, all you need is like essential oil and your hands. So please do try this one. So here, next session I will be telling you about the scrubbing. So this here I'll tell you the areas where you have to concentrate. Forehead massage. Okay, place your chunkles between your eyebrows and move upwards towards the hairline. See here I have, and then again massaging your eye area. Rest your chunkle on your cheeks and near the nose bridge and swipe them across the cheek. So this is again the chin area. Place your palm beneath your chin cheekbones and massage, and this is like pressure point press what I am drawing. And again massage your mouth area also. It's very important, upper lip area, because that's where it relaxes your face. And finally, this is just keep your hand
leave your face with this oil, or you can wash your face with the cold water and the facial is done. Do try these steps and tell me. This is very important. So next video I'll be showing you the facial scrubbing. That's also very important. Thank you all.